Everyone says Fed, FOMC, Fed's meeting, rate hike, and the massive impact on the stock markets in the US and across the world. Let us know more about Fed's chairman meetings and speeches, which are going to have a huge impact on the economy, inflation, and the stock markets. Fed's chairman meeting in Jackson Hole on 26th August, that is Friday, caused US markets to tumble down 1000 plus points. Here is FOMC meetings calendar. This is the official page of Federal Reserve System or Federal Reserve Board, FRB, or simply Fed. So you can filter and you can see the meetings that are going on. You can set the month and you can check the speeches, FOMC meetings, board meetings, and etc. In August month, the latest Friday's Fed's speech at Jackson Hole is here. Okay, you can watch it live. The event already completed, so you can watch it still, the recorded session. So this caused a huge impact, tumbling down, crashing US markets. So in this month we don't have anymore. And in September we have another Fed's meeting. Which are crucial and important. This is a FOMC meeting. In these meetings, they are going to announce the rate hikes or the rate cuts. But due to the current scenario, it's going to be a rate hikes only. And this FOMC holds 8 regularly scheduled meetings during the year and other meetings as needed. These schedules we have seen. As Fed's chairman, Powell's most important duties is to serve as the chair of the FOMC. FOMC outcomes of these FOMC meetings are critical in setting short-term US monetary policy. So here is the financial hero of American markets. So you can reach this wiki page to know more about him. He was an American attorney and investment banker and who is serving now as the 16th chair of Federal Reserve since 2018. In the Jackson Hole speech, Powell warns of into households in inflation battle. And these words are being taken seriously. Until I googled it out and found out, so I could not believe that it's a simple, cool, calm valley that was set up to heat up US monetary policy. This is the Google Maps page. This is the beautiful environment here, beautiful surroundings. No one can expect that something important will be happening here or buzzing here. Right, all hilly, and it's a beautiful destination for anyone to visit. Okay, explore this. Explore this at your convenience. Oh, still we can see the horse carts here. Until I saw that Google Maps, Jackson Hole on the Google Maps, I couldn't believe and I got surprised. So in these natural surroundings, some pain that is being announced, that is causing worries. An impact on the Indian stock markets. Our economy is strong. Fed's meeting The Fed's announcements are going to impact mostly and should impact, in fact, only the American system or American nation as a nation. But when we make policies that should impact our markets, but not when Fed comes out with some announcements. However, there could be some impact on our markets on Monday. So, impact on the stock markets. When the interest rates are cut, stock markets boom, go up. When the interest rates are hiked, stock markets go down. Why? What's the reason? This is all to combat the rising inflation in 2022 due to the various scenarios like a pandemic and the current ongoing Ukraine-Russia war. Fed has been increasing rates throughout the year. And Fed's rate hike is good for banks, insurance companies, brokerage firms, as they earn more, right? And it's bad for whom? It's for the borrowers. Need to pay more interest. That way, many people hesitate going for borrowing, and in turn, the economy growth may be slower, and it can lead to recession even. The COVID pandemic almost under control as of now, but it caused and it's still causing huge impact in the global financial markets, and the waves are still in force. And adding to this, as just talked, the Ukraine-Russia war. And these are all causing the uncertainty across the globe. And adding to that, recent Taiwan, China, America tensions. So, like Fed in the US, ECB, European Central Bank in Europe, manages the euro and the frames and implement European Union economic and monetary policy. And RBI is Reserve Bank of India in India. These are the main watchguards to keep prices stable, control inflation, support economic growth. Fed's interest rate hike and impact on stock markets was already discussed in the below video. And some quick run on the additional facts and figures are covered here. On 26th Friday, NSE closed at 17,558 after gap up opening started sliding down from the day's high. This is Bank Nifty on Friday. BSE Sensex on Friday. 26th August Friday, Dow Jones 1000 points down here. The above one is Dow Jones and the below one is futures. This is on 26th August Friday, Dow Jones futures during Nifty Live. Nifty followed the same pattern as that of Dow Jones futures. This is news from Market Watch. Dow Jones plunges 1000 plus points and it's the biggest drop in over 3 months after Powell warns of pain for households and businesses. Some tweets are covered over the Fed's event and the forecast for Monday, 29th August. Here is the pessimistic ranges for trade. Fed's comments down here. The business update of Powell's speech, Mahangai ki ladai. News from ET Markets. Another tweet again, pessimistic. So this is the viewpoint. Indian stock markets are definitely stronger and the economic policies are also not that hawkish, as that was mentioned by the Fed chairman for the US economy. This is some news from ET markets. Again from ET markets. So whatever be the trend, up or down, have your own discipline, program, plan, and sufficient learning before diving into the ocean. Stock market is ocean, and you will fish. There'll be sharks there, and if you want to fish more, you have to learn more and be vigilant and be disciplined. So news from ET markets. So good saying by Anshika, lose and learn and preserve. This is the nature of the market. There will be ups and downs, and you have to ride with the tide. Here is the summary by Jeevan, and there are worst conditions, the negative news about many countries, but not much from the Indian point of view. Below graph is of Dow Jones futures on 26th Friday, 1000 plus points down after Indian markets closed. And the question here is Nifty 50 on 29th August, Monday. What will be the levels? Up or down? So there is a linking of global markets and global cues have huge impact on Indian stock markets. So based on this information, based on this Friday signals, we expect negative opening. There could be some positive news, and there's a possibility that America's futures may turn into green, and SGX Nifty also trade greener. So definitely it will be green for Indian markets as well. So people are panic across the social media for Monday trade. Nothing is going to, no need to be that much panic, as our economy is very strong. Everyone is panic about American markets going in red, and the general expectation for Monday may get changed. America futures may trade positive, SGX Nifty also turn positive, and we are expecting Nifty to trade neutral to some 200 points downside and trade range bound. Let us meet again on another topic. Thanks for watching.